Staying fit has never been easier. INEVIFIT has made it convenient to take control of your nutrition with the use of their all-new kitchen scale. Now you will be able to easily meal prep and cook your favorite recipes while knowing the exact amount of food that you are enjoying. We have used a higher capacity sensor to weight items up to 6 kilograms by 1 gram divisions and upgraded the large backlit LCD display to allow for easy reading. The best part is that the tare button will allow you to get the net weight of the items, and the unit conversion button can be used to quickly change the unit of measurement being displayed. We strive to provide customers with the ultimate INEVIFIT experience.
I have 3 units here in front of me. These are just 3 out of the entire line. What we have are the Pro Advantage, as well as the Dual Pro and the Precision Chef. They all have touchpad controls, large LCD readouts. They all measure in 2 different modes, in the imperial mode as well as the metric mode. When you're measuring in the imperial mode, it starts as little as 1/8 of an ounce all the way up to 11 pounds on this unit and this unit. On the Dual Pro, it's actually up to 25 pounds. If you're doing metric, it is up to 5 kilograms. And the great thing about this particular unit, it's so cute, nice and sleek and elegant design, is that it has a stainless steel cover. If you're weighing raw meat or weighing some vegetables, you can just remove this, this goes into the dishwasher, so therefore there's no mistake in contaminating your food. And the Precision Chef, this is great because this is a cover for the unit. You turn it over, and now it's your weighing vessel. The great thing is that it also has measurement markings in the back, which is great. And after, say you're baking something and you have flour in here, it has a spout. You can pour your flour right into whatever you're cooking, into your bowl. Okay, and this on the Dual Pro, the great thing about this is not only do you weigh on this, but it also serves, as you can see here, I'm sliding it out a little bit, serves as a cutting board. So I'm actually going to weigh out some of my walnuts here. And I have a few ounces, and then I'm going to actually take a knife and chop along into whatever size I need for my recipe. And when you're done, this actually is removable and goes right into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. So there you have it. These are Cuisinart's digital scales. So savor the good life with.
This scale is the embodiment of accuracy, convenience, and elegance, and helps improve cooking performance and results by allowing you to measure precise ingredients and portions. In addition, its sleek and charming design will instantly elevate the look and feel of any kitchen it's used in. When you use this scale, you can feel the advanced technology and innovative design that has always set SmartWeigh apart from the rest. It features high-precision sensors and a convenient confirmation click that allows users to know which option they have selected. A large, backlit LCD and touch buttons add to the scale's ease of use. Your weights are clearly displayed in various units: pounds, ounces, grams, milliliters, and cups. You can also measure liquids such as water and milk. This scale requires no setup time. Simply pull it out and begin weighing ingredients. Its beautiful design and state-of-the-art accuracy make it a must-have